welcome back to my channel. My name is Naikuya, and if you are new here, I am a global e-commerce SEO strategist. I also own my own digital marketing agency. And if you're not new here, hey guys, welcome back. So today we're going to talk about the Pinterest Creator Rewards Program, because yes, Pinterest is paying small business owners or content creators to basically create content on the platform. Now, there's a lot of miscommunication going around about the Pinterest Rewards Program, and I just want to use this video as basically your complete guide to understanding the program, what it is, how you qualify, how you get paid, how to optimize your content to get paid more, etc. So if the Pinterest Creator Rewards is something that you're interested in, keep watching this video. I'm part of the Pinterest Creator Rewards program since May of 2022, so of this year. And so far I have earned over $4,000. So that's amazing. And I'm earning money basically doing what I've been doing on Pinterest anyways, which is creating content for my business. Now, first, what is the Pinterest Creator Rewards Program? It's the reward program that's honoring content creators who are using the app to create quality content for pinners that are on the app. And so Pinterest is paying you to create idea pins in specific. So if you don't know what idea pins are, it's basically video content on Pinterest. So think of like Instagram Reels or TikTok videos. It's literally the same thing. Idea pins stay at the top of your Pinterest profile. So it's the first thing people see when they actually go to your Pinterest account. And also Pinterest, just like all other platforms, is pushing out video content more than ever now. So they're really prioritizing the distribution of idea pins over standard pins. Stop making standard pins, but the emphasis is really on idea pins right now, and for good reasons, because people come to Pinterest for inspiration, for ideas, for next steps, and a video is a great way to showcase that. Please do not confuse this with the Pinterest Creator Fund. The Pinterest Creator Fund and the Pinterest Rewards Program are two completely different programs where Pinterest is paying you to create content. Now, the Pinterest Creator Fund is exactly what it sounds like. It's a fund. So basically, it's a grant. I believe it's an accelerator program for small business owners or content creators wanting to learn how to use Pinterest for their business or for their content creation. And it's basically like an accelerator program where they're giving you $25,000 to learn the platform. You get to learn from like specialists, you get to learn how to use it for your business, and it's only opened, I think they open it up every single quarter. They don't give an exact date. There's different qualifications you have to meet than the Pinterest Creator Rewards Program, and they only open it up to certain industries as well. So I believe the last round actually just closed today, the day I'm filming this, which is August 3rd. It was open for only 1 week, and it was for anybody who was in the health and wellness industry. So how to qualify for the Pinterest Creator Rewards Program? I do want to preface this and say that this rewards program is currently in beta stages. So the qualifications that I'm about to tell you guys, just because you meet those qualifications does not automatically give you access to the Creator Rewards Program. It does not automatically mean that you're invited into the Creator Rewards Program. If you meet these qualifications, you just have the opportunity to be invited. However, it's still in beta testing, so Pinterest basically has to reach out to you through email and invite you to become a creator, a part of the beta program. So that's a miscommunication that's been going around. If you meet these qualifications, that you're automatically accepted, and that's not true. So what are the qualifications? So the main qualifications are: must have a Pinterest business account. You do have to be a US resident. I'm not sure if they're opening it up to other countries at this point. I don't see why they would not, but right now it's only for US citizens. You also have to be 18 years or older. You have to have at least 250 followers. You also have to have at least 150 saves of your pins within the last 30 days. You must create original content. So you can't enter into the Creator Rewards just only repinning other people's content. It has to be your own original content. That does not mean you can't repurpose your content from like TikTok and Instagram Reels, because you can just remove the watermark, but it does have to be your content. And so those are the main qualifications to be considered for the Pinterest Creator Rewards Program. Now, how do you access the Creator Rewards Program? Now, you do have to be using your mobile app for Pinterest in order to see it. So you can't use the desktop to see your rewards program. So I'll have it up here on the screen. So you're gonna go to your Pinterest app, and then you should have a button that says Creator Hub. Then if you hit Creator Hub, you should see your little earned $sign button at the top, closest to the right-hand side. You click that, and then that's how you're going to access your goals getting, which makes sense. Pinterest wants its creators to create content that's going to keep people on the platform longer, just like any other platform out there. So the more people that are saving your content, most likely they're going to also be staying on the platform longer or engaging more of your content or similar content like yours. I'm gonna put here up on the screen August Pinterest Creator Rewards goals. And so basically I'll walk you through these goals here. And if you submit your idea pins to one of these goals and you meet the requirements, then you get paid for it. It's as simple as that. So let's walk through some of the goals for August. Okay, so here is one of the goals for August. So you get $25 for each idea pin plus $2 for each save, up to $700. And then the total that you can earn is up to $700. And then if you scroll down here, so here's the eligibility details. So each idea pin that reaches at least 10 saves is eligible for a $25 payment, and you'll earn another $2 for every additional save on eligible idea pins. Now, saves after this reward is over does not count. So any saves after August basically will not count towards your payment. You have to be original. Pins will not be counted if they're not original. They have to be your own content, and you can't use other pins that you already submitted to other goals. So just keep that in mind and make sure you own the rights to the videos and the music you're going to be using as well. So now that we walked through some of the goals for August, it's pretty simple. It's pretty straightforward on how to basically make money on Pinterest. Is literally that easy. And like I said, I'm a business owner myself, and I use Pinterest for my business. So I've been creating idea pins already without getting paid, and the fact that I'm getting paid to do something that I'm already doing, it's just honestly a luxury, and I'm so grateful to be a part of this program. How do you get paid, and how often do you get paid? So you get paid through direct deposit. You do have to link your checking account to your Pinterest Creator Hub. And then you get paid 30 days after the rewards have ended. You get paid. Now, for me personally, I actually get paid ever since May. I've been getting paid on either the 20th or the 21st. So mine is usually 20 days after, 21 days after, and it's been pretty consistent. But that's just me. Yours may take the exact 30 days. So for example, the goals that I submit for August, if I happen to reach any of those goals, I won't actually get paid until September. Let's talk about how to actually optimize how much money you're actually making on Pinterest. So a lot of people are saying that, yeah, they're in the Creator Rewards program, they're creating quality content, but they're having a hard time reaching those saves. And so the first thing I want to say is, honestly, sometimes that has nothing to do with, keywords and optimization. It can sometimes just be your content. And I hate to say that, but if you're not creating content that's savable, then people aren't going to save it. You have to give a reason for somebody to save your content. Sometimes it's just as simple as having a call to action in the last slide, telling people to save this pin and why they should save it. I'll link some videos down below that will really help you with your Pinterest marketing on how to optimize your profile, how to create content that actually converts, and I'll leave those down below because that's really going to help you in this Creator Rewards program. But the main tip that I can really give to you is look at your analytics. You should have a business account already with these Creator Rewards program. What are your analytics telling you? It's literally in black and white. Your analytics do not lie. They tell you what's working and what's not working. Look at your content within the last 30 days and see what content is resonating the most with your audience. See what content is not resonating the most with your audience. Use the Pinterest Trends tool to see what trends are trending on Pinterest within the next 90, 60, or 30 days. Do keyword research. So many things that you can do to optimize your account, as well as optimize your Pinterest idea pins in order to get those saves. That's it. Hopefully this video was thorough and it made sense. So if you're interested in the Pinterest Creator Rewards program and you met those qualifications, keep checking your email, keep checking that Creator Hub button to see if you have access to the Creator Rewards program, if you were invited. And then once you are invited, honestly, just keep doing what you're doing now. Create quality content, create content that most people are going to want to save, and give them a reason to save your content. If you have any questions about the Pinterest Creator Rewards program, go ahead and leave them down in the comments below, and I'll try to answer them as quickly as I can. Until next time, you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll talk to you guys soon.